Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a superfood that's been revered for centuries. Black seed oil, also known as Nigella Sativa. If you're looking for natural ways to boost your health, you've come to the right place. We'll cover everything from its incredible benefits to how you can start using it today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on more natural health insights. So what exactly is black seed oil? It's extracted from the tiny black seeds of the Nigella Sativa plant, which is native to Eastern Europe, Western Asia, and the Middle East. For thousands of years, it's been a cornerstone of traditional medicine, with mentions even found in ancient Egyptian texts and Islamic traditions. It's often called the remedy for all diseases except death. A pretty bold claim, right? But what's truly fascinating is that modern science is starting to catch up and back up some of these ancient beliefs. The history of this oil is so rich, it's like a story told through generations, a secret to wellness passed down through time. In many cultures, it wasn't just medicine. It was a part of daily life, used in everything from cooking to beauty rituals. This long history of use gives us a clue about its potential safety and effectiveness, long before we had scientific labs to confirm it. The trust people placed in these small seeds for millennia is a powerful testament to their perceived value, making it more than just a passing health trend. Now let's get into the good stuff, the science-backed health benefits. What makes black seed oil so special? It's packed with powerful bioactive compounds, but the real star of the show is an antioxidant called thymoquinone. This is the component that scientists believe is responsible for many of its therapeutic effects. The research is really exciting. Studies suggest it can significantly boost your immune system, essentially helping your body's natural defenses become stronger and more efficient at fighting off infections. It's also a potent anti-inflammatory. This is fantastic for people dealing with conditions like arthritis or even just general aches and pains that come from exercise or daily life. By reducing inflammation, it can help soothe your body from the inside out, but that's not all. Black seed oil is also known to aid digestion. If you struggle with an upset stomach, bloating, or just want to promote better gut health, this could be a great natural addition to your routine. It helps soothe the digestive tract and can contribute to a healthier gut microbiome. And let's not forget about its benefits for your appearance. Many people use black seed oil topically to support skin and hair health. It's been used to help manage issues like acne and eczema, thanks to its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. For hair, it's thought to nourish the scalp and strengthen follicles, potentially helping with hair growth and overall hair health. The versatility is what's truly amazing. We're talking about one natural oil that has the potential to support your immunity, calm inflammation, aid your gut, and improve your skin and hair. And honestly, this is just scratching the surface of the ongoing research into its benefits. Now, you're probably wondering, how do you actually use it? Let's talk about dosage and methods, especially for beginners. The most common way to take black seed oil is orally. A typical starting dose is about 1 teaspoon once a day. A fair warning, it has a very distinct, strong, and peppery taste that can be a bit intense for some people. To make it more palatable, many people mix it with a spoonful of raw honey, which not only masks the taste but adds its own health benefits. You can also mix it into juice, a smoothie, or even a little bit of yogurt. The key is to find what works for you. If the taste is really not your thing, don't worry. You can also find black seed oil in capsule form, which is a super convenient and taste-free way to get your daily dose. For topical use on your skin or hair, it's very simple. Just take a few drops and gently massage them directly onto the area you want to treat. You can add it to your favorite moisturizer or shampoo as well. A crucial tip for any new supplement is to always start with a small amount. This lets you see how your body reacts and allows you to gradually increase the dose if you feel comfortable. Listen to your body. It's the best guide. While black seed oil is generally considered safe for most people, it's really important to be aware of potential side effects and take some precautions. Nothing works for everyone, and it's always best to be informed. Some people might experience mild digestive upset when they first start taking it, things like nausea or a feeling of bloating. This often subsides as your body gets used to it. However, if you have a pre-existing medical condition, are pregnant, or are breastfeeding, it is absolutely crucial that you consult your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional before adding black seed oil or any new supplement to your routine. This is especially important if you are on any medications, particularly blood thinners or drugs for blood pressure, as blackseed oil can potentially interact with them. And finally, quality really matters. The market is full of different brands, so always opt for a high-quality, cold-pressed, organic blackseed oil from a reputable source. Cold pressing ensures that the delicate nutrients in the oil are preserved and not destroyed by heat during extraction. Look for oil stored in a dark glass bottle, as this helps protect it from light and maintain its potency. So there you have it, your beginner's guide to the amazing world of blackseed oil. It is a powerful natural ally that has stood the test of time and could significantly benefit your overall health. From its rich history to its modern scientific backing, it's clear why this ancient secret is making such a huge comeback. We've covered what it is, its incredible benefits for immunity, inflammation, and more, and how you can safely start incorporating it into your daily life. Now I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried blackseed oil before? What was your experience like? Let me know your stories, your tips, or any questions you have in the comments section below. Your insights are so valuable to this community. If you found this video helpful and learned something new today, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with a friend who might be interested in natural health. And most importantly, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell. We're constantly exploring new ways to help you live your healthiest, happiest life using the wisdom of nature. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.